Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet Features. Flow through your meetings with ease. Appointlet makes online scheduling simple, so you can stay focused at work, because booking a time shouldn't be difficult. Scheduling that saves you time at work. Appointlet makes it easy for people to book time with your company, so you can focus on the tasks that really matter. Streamline your scheduling workflow. Share your meeting availability with a single link. Generate a link to your scheduling page so it's easy for people to book a time with you. Manage your existing meetings. Review scheduled meetings, take internal notes, and filter through your data with ease. Cancel and reschedule effortlessly. Change your meeting plans with the click of a button, and we'll make sure your attendees are notified by email. Get the meetings you want when you want them. Avoid being double booked. We'll check your calendar for existing busy events to prevent overbooking. Approve meetings manually. Accept and decline meeting requests with a professional solution. Require advance notice for bookings. Prevent last-minute bookings so you have enough time to prepare for each meeting. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.